How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I'll be showing you 5 incredible hidden features for your Samsung Galaxy phone. Trust me, you are gonna learn something new and useful in this video. So if you are a Samsung user, then it's a must watch video for you. With that being said, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. First, let me show you how to get into the split screen directly from the notification panel. Let's say you receive an important notification on your phone. It can be a WhatsApp message or something that is really important, but you are busy doing some other work on your phone. In such situations, all you need to do is simply press and hold on that notification and drag it onto your home screen. Now you can easily open that notification in a pop-up or split screen window. Not only this, if you want to open any app in a pop-up window, the easiest way to do it is simply open your recent menu and just press and hold on that application. Now you can open it either on a split screen or a pop-up window like this. I am sure no other Android phone offers so many cool features that will enhance your multitasking experience. So if you're a Samsung user, then I will highly recommend you to start using these amazing features. Let's say there is a setting that you use very often. For example, I always keep changing my default launcher, and in order to do that, I need to go inside settings, select apps and then select default apps. Now finally I get this option to change the default launcher. It's a pretty long process, and instead of doing this every time, what I can do is I can create a shortcut for this setting that I can easily access from my home screen. Let me show you how you can do that. Just open GoodLock and download this module called Registar. It's a brand new module and I will make sure to drop a direct link in the description below. Now simply open Registar and click on search options. Here you need to enable this option that says allow creation of shortcuts. That's it. Now again open the settings menu and long press on the search result. It's gonna give you an option to create a shortcut for this setting. Now when I click on it, it takes me right inside that setting and I don't have to navigate or search every time. Like this, you can create shortcuts for all your favorite settings and put it in one folder. Trust me, it will save a lot of your time. You just need to download the Registar module and start creating these amazing shortcuts. Did you know you can mute your Samsung device even without unlocking the phone? You just need to press and hold the power and volume up key and the phone will get mute. If you press it again, it will unmute the device. It's like having an alert slider on your Samsung phone. And to enable this feature, all you have to do is go to settings, select accessibility and then click on advanced settings. Go inside side and volume key. Here you will see a list of all the functions and you need to select this option that says mute all sounds. That's it. Now when you want to mute your phone, you don't have to unlock it. Simply press and hold the power and volume up key and it will mute your Samsung device. Next, if I open my quick settings, you can see I have got 6 toggles in a row instead of having just 4 or 5. If you want to increase the number of toggles in your quick settings, then you will need a GoodLock module called QuickStar. If you haven't already, then go to the Galaxy Store and install the GoodLock app. Once done, now open GoodLock and download this module called QuickStar. Then open QuickStar and enable this option that says Show Quick Button Grid. That's it. Now simply open the notification panel, tap on these 3 dots. Here you will get a brand new option called Button Grid, by using which you can increase or decrease the toggles in your quick settings. Again, a very unique feature which you can find only on Samsung devices, so definitely try this one out. That's pretty much it for this video. These are some amazing unique features that will make your Samsung experience a lot better. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite hidden feature, and if you guys like this video then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next